Okay, you guys, this is part 2 of the goal to rank #1 on Google for the keyword Las Vegas zip code. Still, as of today, I'm at number 15 for ballenvegas.com with the term Las Vegas zip code. That's an average. Obviously, everything with location and personalization is all going to make a difference. This is just an average. So what I want to do now is I got an idea. Before I go start massively changing all of the pages on the website, which I believe is going to be necessary in order to prove to Google that this website is the authority on zip codes, which means I'm going to take away a lot of the other things potentially that the website ranks for in order to prove that I'm the authority on zip codes in Las Vegas. I'm going to start with something stupid simple, okay? And I don't want to change a whole bunch of things at once or we won't know what works and what doesn't work. So for today, day 1, starting this journey, we're going to change the website name. And I'm not going to do anything else besides make my videos. I'm not going to change anything else on the website until I see if this does anything. All right? So it's perfect timing. There's a holiday coming. I got a few days out of town. So I'll let this sit and see what it does. You ready? Watch. We're going to do this stupid, simple thing. We're just going to see. So the name of my website here is called Lori Ballen Team Keller Williams. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to dashboard. We're going to go down to settings and go to general. Now I'm on a WordPress website. Remember, my marketing company called Ballen Brands at ballenbrands.com does build out real estate websites and other websites as well. So contact us. So see where this says site title? We're going to change this to Las Vegas zip code. I'm just trying to think. Las Vegas zip code. Let's just say directory. I'll say map directory. I don't want to get too technical. Let's do it. Let's go with Las Vegas zip code map because what I want to see is if both of those keywords were to increase, Las Vegas zip code and Las Vegas zip code map, without me doing anything else, it would definitively prove that this had some sort of a relevance. All right, and the tagline there says Las Vegas real estate. So let's just go with Las Vegas zip code map is going to be the name of this website. We're going to click Save Changes. And that is it. We're going to let Google come crawl. And just to show you again today, my website here ranks number 12 today when I'm making this video for Las Vegas zip code map. And it ranks, we're not able to see it on here. It ranks number 15 for Las Vegas zip codes, okay? So Las Vegas zip code map is number 12. Las Vegas zip codes is number, was it 15? Hold on, I have to look. Maybe it was 18. Ballenvegas.com. Let's just take a look. Number 15, all right? So those are our numbers. Let's let this title change. Let Google come crawl our website. And I'm going to monitor this and see if there's any change over the coming days before I go changing a bunch of other things. This will give us a true test and measure. All right, thanks for joining me today.